So I was challenged by Keeping Up with the Griffins to do the food costs too much challenge. Alright, so it has to be something on sale. So $3.82. Now that I picked out what I'm going to pick, I'm going to head on home to show you guys what it is I actually got from Food Lion. So in the bag, like I said, I had picked up some broccoli, and then I also picked up a packet of Applewood boneless pork chops. These were on sale for $6.56, but the manager special was $3.82. And the broccoli was $1.78. I think that I have a side in the kitchen that I could also whip up with that. So therefore, I'm gonna have to pay for it. So I did stick to the budget and keep it under the $10. So yay for that. Food does cost too much, and on top of that, 3 pork chops and broccoli is enough for me and the kids to have lunch, especially during the daytime. Normally I'm not here, so that's also another reason why I'm having to cover the meals for breakfast and lunch. So I went ahead and put my oven on 350 to go ahead and get it started. I looked up in the cabinet and I have basmati rice. I also have chicken and herb rice. So I think that because I already have that, that is a plus, considering the fact that I didn't have to pay for this. So I had caught this on sale about a week or two ago, where it was buy 2 for $3 and then you get 1 for free. So I did do just that. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the chicken and herb one. I can put these in the microwave for about a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan together, cook my apple seasoned boneless pork chops with apple panko seasoning breading, which I got for $3.82. Also that broccoli that I got for $1.78, and then the rice that I already had in the house, which kept my budget under $10. So Griffins, thank you for the challenge. It was well accepted, and I definitely enjoyed going in and finding something cheap that would feed all 4 of my family members. I did add some original dash on, some parsley flakes, and some of the garlic pepper seasoning. This video originally started with Cooking with the Catrins, where they started a food costs too much challenge. This challenge ends today, and unfortunately I just filmed the video. I do have a couple people tagged that I want to see complete the challenge and still keep it going. So shout out to Cooking with the Catrins for starting this challenge. I will have their link in my description box down below, as well as who tagged me Keeping Up with the Griffins. I also have some channels tagged and mentioned at the end of who I would like to see complete the challenge. So I also went ahead and just made my water to boil the broccoli. With my broccoli, I am going to put in about a tablespoon of butter, and then also on my pork chops I added the 3 seasonings, the garlic pepper, Miss Dash, and some parsley, just to give it a little extra flavoring. So the one thing that I can say out of this video is that this was a really great challenge. Food really does cost way too much, and at the end of the day, it is hard to plan meals for your family that stay in a reasonable budget. So this is definitely a reasonable budget meal. When you go to Food Lion, sometimes there are really great deals on the meats, and I do tend to grab them and just put them in the deep freezer for another time. You cannot beat saving $3 on pork chops. A 3-pack will definitely go a long way for my family of 4, because the kiddos can have half of a pork chop cut up along with the broccoli and some rice. So luckily the rice was 2 for $3. Buy 1 buy two get one free, and then the broccoli was $1.78 and the chicken was $3.63. So I definitely stayed at least below $6 with this meal. But if you want to be technical, I stayed below $10 because I had bought the rice a couple days prior when it was on sale for buy two for $3 and get one free. The channels that I challenge are Just Me Cassandra, Nana Talks, Just Sharice, Life with Sarah, Camille's Essence, and Friday's Kitchen. This meal was ready so quick that I was able to hurry up and get the family to the dinner table and for me to be able to sit down and have dinner with my family. So I went ahead and took those out after 12 to 15 minutes in the oven. We have our broccoli with the butter, and then the chicken and herb rice is in the microwave for about a minute. That way I can go ahead and throw that on this plate as well. If you all have enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also to try to join in on the challenge, even though today marks the last day. It is something that is fun to do, especially to prove to yourself that meals don't have to be too much money. Thank you so much to Keeping Up with the Griffins for tagging me for this challenge. Challenge accepted, challenge done, and I challenged the other one, so can't wait to see you guys' video.